Hello, this is Russell from Unicoder Academy. Today is very special day, reliable vacation tomorrow. Okay, and now out of my house there is a lot of cold. So that at that time, what should I do? I should lie down in the blanket. Okay, because there is a lot of cold. And what I do make a video for yourself. So how can I hard work for you? You imagine that? But you didn't subscribe or follow me. So now let's begin to the lesson. Okay. So you can see the highlight area. A lot of option there. Now I explain these option actually what does in these Word documents. So let's go to the point. Okay, now you can see this is the Microsoft Word documents and this is the insert, and it was a highlighted option actually. So first option you can see shapes. Okay, and there is lot of shapes or design. This is the basic shapes and block array and equation shapes. There's many option is there, and there is a flow chart. You can use your particularly work actually what want to do in your project. You can take the design or you can take the shape use in your work. First you can see this is the rectangular shape, and many shape are here. You can take, for example, I write here the shape, and you can increase your font. Okay, and there is some option here. You can use these option, these, and these are a lot of option here you can use. Okay, just is design, color design, and you see that just change little bit, and this is the fill. Okay, I see this. Okay, this is the shape fill and shape outline and shape effect. Just I try to understand you. You can see just shape field. Okay, you can change your shape fill color. And if you want to ident shape fill, then you can choose this option no fill. Okay, these are no fill, and you see just a border. Okay, this is the shape outline. You can change a color outline shape, and if you want, I don't need any shape or I don't need any shape or any border. Okay, then you choose this option. No, is a hide. Okay, is vanish. Okay, now come back. Okay, so you can see this is the next option is shape effect. Let's try to give this shape. Okay, so these are option here. Okay, you can see, oh, it's amazing. Okay, you can see there is a lot of interesting option here or design here. You can take everything, and there is 3D option here also. Okay, and these are old option before tutorial I see it, so now I can't explain this option because time is short my hand. And now I am going to main option, and you can see this is the icon. Okay, now I delete all design or shape. Okay, and I'm gonna show you icon. Okay, just let me. Okay, you can see the lot of icon here is a various icon here. Actually what you do, you can use this icon, just you click and insert. Okay, this icon is come, and the next option is 3D models. You can take a 3D models. I think yes, that there is a lot of 3D models here. Okay, let's check it. Emojis. Yeah. There is. Okay, now I choose this model. Let's try to see. Okay, you can see the model is here, and you can move any angle. Okay, and there is extra option here. You can move right, left, or behind, or down, up, any angle you can do. Okay, and the next option you can see is the smart art. Okay, smart art is it's actually valuable option, and it's need some time, and it's a very valuable work provide these options. Okay, and this is the list option. Here is a lot of list option here, and pros and process, okay, process no, style, and this is the cycle style. Okay, many style is here, you can do. Okay, I'm going to show you. I take on design. Okay, I delete this module and this icon. Okay, you can see this design, and now you can move anywhere. Okay, anywhere you can move this model. Just it is the 2 on 3 3, and the next option is chart. Before I delete this, and now I take a chart. I just explain with you, and I just try to understand you actually how can you use this chart. This chart option actually use it's hard, and its use is a little bit difficult. That's why I try to understand you better, so you look carefully. Okay, now I insert this chart. Okay, so you can see the chart is insert. Now I showing to you actually how to increase or decrease, and how to give the value in this chart option. Okay, so category on, so you can see this is the category on, and serial 1 2 3, and this is the 1 2 3. Okay, and the category 2, and these are category 2 of value. So this is the category 2, and this is the category 2 of bar. Okay, so now I changed this point. Okay, now I give this here 20. So you can see this option is too high, rather this option, and this is 15, and this is 10. Okay, so you can see this. How can I customize that? You can customize easily. Okay, and you can customize this category 2. Now category 2 is 18, 16, and 14. Okay, so I think you understand, and now you can use these options, and the 2 option is here. You can practice yourself. Okay, I can't see you. I delete this everything. Okay, now go, and this is the screenshot. Actually, recently what kind of picture you take in your screen, and you can see this, and you can take in your file. Okay, so I think you understand, and now today I need to break, and I know you are so hardworking person, and you are so brilliant, and I believe that you are practicing yourself. You must be practice yourself, otherwise you can achieve this option. Okay, this is the very fundamental, and this is the very easy. Today I get vacation, so I am very happy today, and now keep practicing yourself, and have a good day.